The model used is being GeoPinex GPGL 3D scanner type model. It scans 3D means it scans the surface and gives the 3D profile. So first using GeoPinex GPGL, first the handheld machine, the location is being fixed. The location point is being fixed, and once the location point is being fixed, then the scanning will happen. So now we are in the process of looking at the customer located the point, the stone over there, lying over there, the location point is fixed. Now it goes with the computer software. The details stored in the GPGL 3D machine are connected with the computer software. So in the computer software, the machine comes with the software which has to be installed in the laptop, computer, or Windows tablet. So after that, the particular parameters, maybe like the surveyor name, the customer name, and the depth, that is been as per the hydrological conditions nearby borewells, the depth area has to be set over there. And the other required parameters, uh, like for example, the GPS coordinate point and the particular exact bore point we have to find out. The system automatically gives that. However, to get the particular exact the stone point, you can enter the parameter values into the location coordinate, and then you click the geolocation button. So it takes you to the map. So there you can scroll it, and you can go to the exact point where the scanning has to be finished, and you can get the exact bore point. You can macro zoom, you can micro zoom that area, and fix the exact bore point. So you can go to the realistic map, earth map, and once you go to the realistic earth map, you can able to fix the particular bore point area where we are currently, where the where drilling is going to happen, where it is being surveyed, the exact pinpoint area. You can click it over there, it will give the exact coordinate. So once the exact coordinate is updated, you can click the exact coordinate. The location also you can see over here, and then you can copy that exact location coordinate, and you can go back to the software, and you can enter the latitude value and longitude value. This latitude and longitude value also comes in the PDF report generator. So there, by clicking there in the PDF report also, it will take you to the exact coordinate point. Then the other parameter like the customer name, to whom the 3D reports has to be sent, it can be entered. And there is a button called once the profile. So once this is being entered, you can go to the profile scan to get the data from the GPGL unit to process it for the relevant scanning details. And so let us wait for the scanning result. And once the scanning result come, we can visualize that. Further, a PDF report will be also generated that will be shown inside the folder. And also, once these reports are generated, there is a send button, report send button. You can click there to send the report to the customer entered email ID. So now these are the 4 profiles immediately generated for visualization. So you can see the different views like earth depth profile, which is a one against the surface, ground surface, versus the side to the depth. So we can see the depth profile. This is the point. This is one of the point, and there is a hard rock in between, and this is the other point. This is more blue in color, so presence of water is more prevalent over here. So you can see source 1, source 2, something close to source 3. So if you connect a point, if you drill across this point, maybe you can reach source 1, you can reach source 2, also you can simultaneously touch source 3. So you can aim for this point, and so the depth region is pointed over there. So you can bore from here to this point, and this is the earth latitude longitude profile. earth lat long profile, you can see that exact this point over here. So maybe you can bore this way, you can reach this point. This is a three-dimensional thing, where also you can see that across a point number over here, you can see the boring region. You can see it over here. Yeah, you can see it over here. So this is the other graph is the frequency graph. So at what frequency we have reached that point, and the PDF report generated inside this folder. So for this scanning, PDF report generated, we can open the PDF report. This PDF report gives all the informations about the uh, different profiles generated and their 3D profile, the earth profile, the lat long profile, the frequency profile, and the that point represents a minimum area, minimum frequency at what the depth is reached. And this is the complete profile. It gives the latitude, longitude, the surveyor name, the customer name, the source 1 level, the source 2 level, the source 3 level, and the total boreholes to be drilled. And further, it also gives us the amount of water, expected quantum of water, and the water quality, the salinity, and permeability factor of the rock. All those informations are there inside. And once these files are obtained, you can click the send button to send the report to the customer email ID. So now we can see the drill that is being made. So once this process is over, the drill after this initial profile, initial point location search and 3D profile generation, the drilling is made, and this is a very successful successful yield. So you can see the yield over here. So this is very good. So as per the generator profile and the things, the source source point 2, we can able to get a good amount of water. Source 1 there is a good amount of water, but source 2 very good amount of water. Thank you for watching this one. Please subscribe. Please click the subscribe button for more videos to reach you. Thank you very much. Subscribe and bell icon button. Thank you.